Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends, students, and listeners. Today I am going to explain what is bourgeoisie. Bourgeoisie is a French term which is associated with Marxist analysis, and it refers to the merchant or proprietary class that possesses essential economic power, and due to having that essential economic power, this class controls over the working class or proletariat. Proletariat or working class actually is the labor class, and this labor class does not own, does not possess essential economic and political power, due to which this class is being governed and is being dominated by bourgeoisie. Bourgeoisie, what is bourgeoisie? Bourgeoisie is a class of merchants or proprietary, you may say it is a class of elite people. It is a class of those people who are economically strong.